This tutorial will show you how to install the Open Dyslexic Browser Extension for Google Chrome to modify web pages with the Open Dyslexic font. This font has been observed to help dyslexic people read faster and misread less words. The font doesn't work for everyone, but if it can help other students, then it's worth downloading since it's free and easy to use. The first thing you need to do is to navigate to Google Chrome. This can be found on your desktop or by searching for it in the Start menu. It's worth pinning it to the Windows taskbar for easier use later. The browser extension will only work with Google Chrome and not Microsoft Edge, so if you use Microsoft Edge for most of your web browsing, you'll need to make the switch for this browser extension to work. Next, go to google.com and search for the phrase Open Dyslexic Browser Extension. It should be the first result in the search, updated on the 17th of May 2020. Click that result to visit the Chrome Store page for the extension, and make sure it's the one published by abicod.es. Then, click Add to Chrome, and when prompted if you would like to add the extension, click Add Extension. After a few moments, you will see a window in the top right-hand corner telling you that the Open Dyslexic font for Chrome has been added. Dismiss this window, syncing is not required. After you've done this, the icon will disappear again. To pin it to the taskbar, click the puzzle piece icon in the top right-hand corner and find where it says Open Dyslexic Font for Chrome. You will see a little pin icon next to it. Click the pin to add it to the taskbar. The extension is now successfully installed, but it needs to be enabled for use. Click the O icon in the top right-hand corner to bring up the Open Dyslexic Font menu. You will see a little switch that says Enable Open Dyslexic beside it. Click the switch to enable the font, and then press Save. You may also wish to choose a variation of the font, such as bold or italic. If you do choose to change it, then click Save once you've chosen. You can now click off the menu and navigate to a website to test the font. Please note that it may be necessary to close Google Chrome and reopen it for the font to work, but this hasn't occurred during my testing. Now, when you visit a web page, such as a search in Google, the font extension will take over and the text on the web page will be changed to Open Dyslexic. This will not work for all web pages, but many online resources will work with this extension. Should you wish to change back to the site's native font, then simply click the O icon in the top right-hand corner like you did when enabling the extension, and click once again the Enable switch to turn the extension off. The page will refresh and the native font will be displayed again. The page will refresh if you change the font to bold or italic, or back again as well. Please note that you will need to do this for each computer in college you log on to. However, if you log off a computer you've installed Open Dyslexic on, then it will be ready and working the next time you log on. So after a while, you'll stop needing to install it as you use more and more computers. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Produced for Scarborough Tech.